Let's see if we can find some. All we need is one? Yeah, get two of each. I like this one. So we are back home. Found something to watch on the telly. I'm about to make me and Jason some turkey burgers. I gotta see what Sophia wants to eat because you know she's always iffy. She may not even be hungry. That's why she ain't asked me for nothing.
And we're joined here today by Mola and Danny. How we feel.
And I like to put it in a little wine glass. I got some liquor in here, so we're gonna put some peach sparkling soda, sparkling water. Look at his background. His background. What do you need that for? Does what in the camera right now? She look different.
In the camera. The remaining women just a little more attracted to him. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you.
That'd be the smartest answer.
Okay, we've got 3 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them another question.
I would say if there was something that needed direct adjustment on my end.
If it's something that can be changed or worked on, going back to my previous answer, I'm going to give you time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the weekly. Well, weekend vlog. This is going to be a weekend vlog. I am getting ready to go. It's in the afternoon. Sophia left to go for her TT. They're going to have like a little date tomorrow. So, yeah, me and Jason going to go. We're actually going to go to H Mart. And this is Delina exclusive. And y'all know my every day. And pick up some stuff from H Mart because we got a Korean like barbecue grill. And we got a hot pot thing. So we kind of want to do that. I don't know if we're going to do that today. He might want to go out to eat. I don't know. So we'll see. Because it's just me and him. So we're going to go wherever the wind blows us. Right, Jay?
Right.
Whew. I got this new mount that I want to try. I don't know. I don't think this one is a car mount. This one is multi-use magnetic mount for this camera.
Yeah, they're gonna put it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, one time thing. These are the ones that go on the boat.
Both. Remember when they give it to us, it be. All right. So I got my other battery in. I'm in the car. Jason went to go take the cart. And we got some of the Driscoll's sweetest strawberries. So we're going to see what it tastes like. Well, maybe I should wait for him. But yeah, so we got some good stuff. I'm really excited about doing our hot pot at home. The funny thing is, we bought this stuff today to do the hot pot at home, but we wasn't planning on making it today. We actually gonna go to our favorite hot pot place. They do hot pot and they do Korean barbecue, so we gonna go there today. And I probably need to put some makeup on because I feel like I just need to put some makeup on. I don't know, maybe just a little bit, right? So we gonna go there today, and by the way, somebody making it in his car. We gonna go there today and get us some Korean barbecue in hot pot because that's what we want to do, even though we bought all that stuff. Yeah. There you go.
They're already on her
end. Hey y'all. It's Saturday, it's the next day.
So I'm trying to get all this
I'm
taken
like,
care of before the sale of the house,
not
so she doesn't
feeling
lose all
good.
that money too.
I'm tired, I'm out of breath. Last night after we went out to eat, I kind of just like, I was knocked out. But right now, I'm just wanting to clean up because my house is a mess. Like, look at my house, y'all. It is a mess. I got dishes in the sink that need to be washed. Look at my counters. Look at my table. It's just, it's giving bitch time to clean. So I need to clean up. I'm just trying to get the energy, and it's already 2 o'clock. My boyfriend is riding his bike. Sophia is with my mom today. She's gonna be hanging out with my sister. They're gonna do like a little hot dog date, some fancy hot dogs they trying to get. But yeah, I really wanted to take this day and like clean, like get up early and clean. I did get up and I like made myself something to eat. I had avocado toast and what else did I have? That was it. Avocado toast and but I need to take some vitamins. That's what I really need to do. I need to take vitamins and yeah, try to get my energy back. I don't know what it is today, but
He sends her pictures of the houses. She's probably spent close to $100,000. It's really getting hard to stomach.
Her recession has taken a toll on the entire family, and she and my stepdad are in the process of separating after 43 years of marriage.
Been married 43 years, and probably the last 30 have been miserable for them, but they stuck it out, and now they just want us to get out anymore.
They're selling their home and set to split $4 million per sale, which I fear this guy's trying to get a hold of.
They talk about her divorce all the time, and when the house is going to sell, when she's going to get the money. It's a lot. It's very emotional. It's very draining. It's very... it's just overwhelming at times. Just all the emotions that are mixed in with...
what else we need? Gotta go to the international side, right? puppy in that another hour, right? Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. So we made it back home after the store and everything, and I actually we went and picked up Sophia. Still didn't find the postal board, so I was like, F it, I'm just gonna buy it off of Amazon, which is what I should have been did. So I bought it off of Amazon, so it should be here Monday. So I guess we'll just work on a rough draft and get her typing up her thing that has to go on the poster board, and we have to print out pictures because the poster board is due on Wednesday. Today is Saturday, so we did the hard part. We did the actual project. I don't know if I told y'all what it was. I don't even think I really cared, but it was due to soil and what soil was like the best soil for plants and stuff like that. So I'm over the science fair project already. Like, I'm completely done with it. I don't want to do it no more. I don't want to talk about it no more. I want to get it over and done. Cause it's annoying. Especially when you're an involved parent like me. Like, you can't help but to not help. Like, I don't want to just be like, you gotta do it yourself, Sophia. You gotta figure it out. So I'm not gonna be like that. So I'm with my girl 100% on getting this done and making sure it's the right way, because she's very serious about her grades. So she asked me to help her. Of course, I was always gonna help her, so I'm gonna help her either way. We got that done. My family is coming over tomorrow for hot pie and everything. I'm super excited about that. I had to take a shower. I didn't even wash my hair because I'm just like, I'm tired, still tired. But like I said, I'm feeling a lot better today. Well, right now than I was earlier. So I guess I can end the vlog here, you guys. I love you. I love y'all who be watching me. Thank you. And yeah, I'll catch you all in the next videos next week. Yes, I'll catch you in the video next week. Make sure y'all check my TikTok out. I'll leave that down below. And yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye.